These guys will be 6 weeks old Monday, and today is Friday. It's around 60 degrees today, and this is their first outing outside the pen.
One's leaving. Hey.
Puppy, come on. Come on, Pup. There's always one in every crowd.
He says, I'm no part of that. No part of that. What you doing? Oh, yeah. Here you. Yeah, this one's going for a ride. This one's going for a ride. Going for a ride.
And now they're spreading around everywhere, so I'm going to let them explore individually.